Factory worker Julibian Guliman never imagined this could happen to him when he started working at House Technologies Incorporated as a painter. The fire burned 2/3 of his body. Both of his arms were also broken. It's still a touch and go for Guliman's recovery as doctors and loved ones monitor his condition. His mother Ophelia waits patiently outside the Divine Grace Medical Center. No words can explain how she feels for her son.
Ang alam niya, may kasunod siyang 3 sa likod niya na pagtalo niya, pero biglang nawala na yung boses na nag-iiyakan. Hindi niya alam kung nakasunod sa kanya o hindi na. Basta pagtalo niya sa 3rd floor, na wala na siya ng malay.
Mrs. Guliman says she has yet to receive help from the company to defray her son's medical expenses.
Wala pa kaming alam, wala pa kami nakakausap.
Julibian is just one of dozens of HTI workers still confined in 2 hospitals in General Trias, Cavite. Relatives are not even allowed to visit some of the victims to prevent infection. These victims have serious, potentially life-threatening 3rd-degree burns. The Red Cross has also been conducting stress debriefings on victims and relatives. CNN Philippines has been trying to get a word from HTI, but company officials have yet to answer our calls. It's been 2 days since the fire began, but the company has not issued a statement. CNN Philippines has also requested for HTI's engineering plan from the Philippine Economic Zone Authority, but the agency has yet to respond. Cavite Governor Boying Remulla, however, assures there will be no case cover-up.
HTI takes care of its people. I would think that HTI will take care of them still. We will not consider anything. I can promise you that, no?
Remulla adds the company promised to pay for the needs of the victims. The local government is also providing legal assistance to those who will file cases if the company is found liable. Governor Remulla admits they're limited by the law that makes economic zones independent from the local government. That's why he says the ball is in the hands of the Congressional Oversight Committee to conduct a thorough investigation. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines, General Trias, Cavite.